How to fix Snapchat friend search not working. So, to fix Snapchat's friend search feature not working, you could go with the basic steps like first thing first, completely close the background running app on your device. Next, you could hold on to your side button and restart your device. That might also be able to help. Moving on, you could also go ahead and locate your App Store and type in Snapchat on the search bar and make sure to update the app to the latest version. Once you do this, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select that, press the update button. That should be able to help. Next, you could also check your internet connection. For that, you want to launch open settings and go to network and internet. Here, select internet from the list, and that's where you're going to fix Snapchat friend search not working. Likewise, other than that, what you could also do is you could go ahead and launch open your Snapchat app on your device, locate your Bitmoji icon from the top right corner of the screen and go to the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of the screen. All right, and when you do this, what here you need to do is actually scroll down and look for these contact or my account section. Over here, you just want to make sure to sync your contact, and that's how you're also going to fix. So if nothing works out, it might be an issue for the other person blocking you or deleting the account or temporarily service outage as well. So this is how you're going to fix Snapchat friend search not working. With that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.